Hi, after purchasing a hosting package and domain name, it's time for email verification. In this video, we will see how to verify your registered email address. After placing a successful order, kindly press Continue to Client Area option. Your orders are still pending because of email verification. That's why services and domains showing as 0. The email verification link has sent to your registered email address. If you have not received it, kindly click on Resend Email Verification. Open your mailbox and check mails from SeekaHost India. Kindly open email verification mail and here click on verify your email address link. That's it, your email will be verified within a click. Once verified, continue to client area option and check your package and domain counts. Open your package or domains and check the status. It should be active. Now you can start to use your services. Thank you. Don't forget to follow our page for upcoming informative videos.